Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to see how to create a purchase group in SAP. So for that, we need to go to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then Material Management, Purchasing. So here, create a purchasing groups. So here there are already some purchasing groups are available. So if we need to create a new purchase group, then we can. So here we can go to a new entry. And here the purchasing group, let's say Z52, that is available, and here steel for Tata. Here let's say Z53 for raw material Tata, raw material Tata Steel. So we just have to save it. So now our purchase groups has been created.